We do have clear skies across the area. As I zoom out, high pressure keeping things quiet. We're still under the influence of that dip in the jet stream and this frigid air mass in place thanks to the northwesterly winds that are persistently keeping it in place. Not a whole lot to show you weather-wise other than we will see the skies cloud up this afternoon. Then we see them clear, and then we continue with this frigid air mass tomorrow with a little more sunshine and less cloud cover. Heading into Friday, I do expect high pressure to be closer, so we'll see more sunshine, mostly sunny skies and less cloud cover to end the week, but that also means some colder temperatures. Now we continue to watch the modeling for this nor'easter that will develop off the southeast coast. The question is, how far west or east does it track? And right now, this is the American model. It does bring us some light accumulating snow as we head into Sunday morning. It starts Saturday night into Sunday morning. The big question, and yet to be determined, exact track plus total. So will the storm get close enough to impact us? And this particular model shows yes, but the Canadian and the European keep it well off the coast. So still some questions there to be answered. 10-day forecast shows that we are in the deep freeze all the way into early next week. We finally see temperatures at the freezing mark on Tuesday and Wednesday with partly sunny skies. System coming through on Thursday could bring us some light snow showers. Temperatures will bump up a few more degrees to around 34 both days.